Okay, so today in the mail, I got my package from, there's a bee over here. Got my package from Bart from Skip. I got, it's the Christmas Bart special. Do a quick unboxing here for you. There's one special label, Christmas Bart. It's red and black. Here's the other. And then we've also got, this is the LED key light. And the Bart sticker that'll be going on my kayak. The little short story Bible booklet. And then a card here. Mike, you're in at number 2 on the Christmas Bart deal. Thanks so much. Hope you like both Barts and the deal items, and you're in the drawing. Okay, so the deal was, if you buy 2 or more of the Christmas special Barts, you get entered into a drawing for tackle. You also get the LED keyring light and the sticker. So we got one of each. There's a red and a green. This one's the red. This looks really cool. I really like this a lot. It's got a green and red living rubber skirt. The red looks like silicone and the green's living rubber. I like that. I like the mix. Really cool red color. Some good flake in it. There's one. And here's the other one. This would be the green one then. Same skirt, the green and red living rubber. A really cool green color. The gold flake really stands out in it. There's some other flake in there too, but the gold really stands out. Looks really good. So here they are. I'll put a link to Skip's videos for these. Make sure you check them out. Bloodknot 101, clatterbrat.com. Yeah, so that's it.